this song. Oh, it's gone. A griffin pal has arrived to help. Yay! We got a helper. It will call out the ogres as they arrive. Oh, you're just here to just say, oh, here's an ogre. There won't always be an ogre, so you should use an if statement to check if an enemy exists before trying to attack it. Because, like, otherwise you're just swinging at the air. Oh, what is this little cute thing? Hello. You're just here to tell us you see something and we go attack it. You don't have any magical powers. Sure. Okay, so we're gonna look for the enemy, and then if there is an enemy, we're going to attack it, which is pretty much the code from before. We're just gonna attack it twice because I feel like it, and we'll hit a pass. Let's go. There's an ogre. Oh, there's another ogre. Ogre, like.
But it's dead.
I feel like this little flying dragon thingy. Like, I can see the ogres myself. Clearly, like, you're not like, oh, it's behind you, like 12 o'clock, or you're not flying in front of them to distract them or anything. You're just like, oh, there's an ogre. Great. But anyway, with the WoW loop, we can continuously attack these ogres that this little griffin creature sees for us. Great.